And so a little bit of insight about parcel numbers and how they work. Um, 316 is actually a book. It refers to an actual physical book that exists in Mojave County. Mojave County is huge and has thousands and thousands of pieces of land there. We're only working on 316, but there are at least, I believe, dozens of these books. And right now, we've been working for 5 weeks, and we're still on 316. We've been basically working this the whole time, maybe more like 6 weeks. And so what you have to know is you can go through this one at a time, but you'll eventually hit a point, like I doubt, because this is like the page number here, and I doubt it goes so high as like 600 or something like that. So eventually you'll hit a point where the 306-05 formula stops working, and that's when you need to change 05, and I would just put 001 in here. And I know there are no 04s, so it started off, and I don't think there's any 02, so it might only be odd numbers here in the center, and I'll have to do a little more homework on that. But so if you look, for instance, if you do 04, nothing's there, but if you do 05, oh, that didn't exist either. So there's a little bit, okay, so maybe just start with, I wonder if there's an 02. See, I don't even know this. Okay, it starts with 02. But don't assume if there's a parcel not found that it's completely done. Go through a few in a row, because there are parcels that aren't recorded in here. So if you hit a spot where there's a parcel not found, do like 3 or 4 more just to be sure. And then if it's done, then you got to change this middle number here. And I don't even know if there are any 06s either. So let's see. Okay, so it looks like 06 does exist. Now you see LLC, so we wouldn't use that one. So then I'm just going to start doing 06 and go through that. See, that's not found. See, and this is United States of America, so that's no good to us. State of Arizona, no good to us. And you can find entire sections that are just all government property. But I don't know the rhyme or reason to how it works, so I've just been kind of going through manually and trying to figure it out. If I see 10 in a row, then I might say, okay, well, let's go 10 ahead and see if it's still that. Not found, alright? What about 27? Not found. So this might be a very small book, basically dedicated, or a very small section just dedicated to government property, for all I know. So yeah, it looks like that's what it looks like to me. So I'm just going to go to 7. And okay, so see, this is a good person. Looks like a good address. The thing I don't like about it, we still mail to them, but you don't really want people who live right there, because they're more likely to maybe actually stay there. But but see, this is not 00, so this is not good. This one we're throwing out. So go back and start the beginning of the 07 book. Let's see. Okay, we got an LLC. Company Inc. Now there we go. That's a good one. And we're back to the kind of land we're looking for. So anyway, my point of this is that we're doing all 316 right now until we've exhausted it, and this middle number, I don't even know how. I know it doesn't go to like 99 or something like that, but I know it goes through at least like the 30s and probably higher than that. So we just started over at the bottom at the beginning, and we're we're just getting ready to wrap up 03 right here, right now, and we've been doing that for over a week. So we'll be on this 316 book for probably a couple months. But anyway, so just some insight into that. If you run into some not found, just kind of how I would approach it, what I've been doing.